This is my box opener. Voila! And let me be careful so as not to damage it. And yes, she's nice and sharp. So what exactly do I have here? Let me put my knife back in my chute. Got plenty of soap. What I'm looking at here is, I don't get it, but because I'm not going to be installing a wall mount to set my speaker on the top of. But this is what Amazon sent me with the Sony Extra Bass SRS-XB43. So I got screws to mount this thingamajig on the wall to stand the speaker on, I presume, and charge it. I don't know, maybe it'll be something I'll give a try, maybe not. But my purpose of purchasing this Sony speaker was to use it on my scooter. Wow, these are very heavy plates. Heavy plate shields to go on the wall. I don't know, it might be something I try. I think I got a couple of ports here. And they sent these very cheap looking USB charging cables. I think C. And I have a micro USB. So we'll put this back in the box later and possibly give it a try, or possibly not. But nice extra touch. And by the way, I did not purchase. Hold on, let me get this box out of here. Okay, and this is the moment I've been waiting for. And I purchased this Sony. Oops. Take a look at the box here. God, this is heavy. And I purchased this Sony Extra Bass SRS-XB43 as a refurb model from Amazon warehouse for 183 bucks. And it's retail valued at over $200. I think a brand new one I saw on Amazon was 250 bucks. So I think this is a fairly good deal. Although after purchasing this one, I saw one on eBay that was actually 106 bucks, but it looked like it had went through a little wear and tear with the fabric on the outside of the speaker, so I passed on it and chose to go with this one for 183. So this thing it feels humongously heavy already out the gate. So I see Amazon have it wrapped up just like a brand new. Oh my goodness, I don't know if I'm going to be able to put this on the DX2. Let's do a quick little hold it up against the scooter type of scenario here and see if I can. So let's pop her open and give her a look and see what she's working with. Well, out of the gate, she's a beaut. She is definitely a beaut. I probably can see myself putting this on my rack on the back of the DX2 and giving her a go. Let's see if we got any battery power here. I'm gonna go ahead and power her on. Don't looks like, uh-oh. Whoa, beautiful. Oh, so it's automatically showing up on my phone already out the gate. I'm gonna just go ahead and hit connect. I'm gonna see what she does. This is amazing. It has the Okay.
Bluetooth connected.
Just like that. And I've never paired this speaker with my phone. I just got it out of the box. As soon as I turned it on, it picked up my phone and it says Bluetooth is connected. Just like that. That's amazing. I like it. I don't know. Oh my God, that's humongous. What do you guys think? Of course, I'm not gonna be flexing with this speaker in public places where there are people gathered. Okay, that is humongous. That is a humongous speaker. I had no idea that this Sony, what is it called? I had no idea that the speaker was going to be this freaking heavy. This SRS-XB43. But before I actually ride down the road with $100 and something speaker, I think I'm gonna have to have her very solidly mounted with no issues whatsoever. And I'm loving the ports that I have back here. See, DC in 5 volt. I have a DC out only USB port, and that's where I actually can charge my phone with the speaker's power, which I probably won't be doing because I already have like a USB charging port on my steering column on the DX2, and I'm definitely sure I'm not going to be trying to mount this on the Wolf Warrior. Just too heavy. And I see a toggle button for the inputs, and this is for the lights. All I have to do is press and hold, and the lights go out in case I don't want to be riding down the road like a psychedelic party going on. And let me see. I have party settings. That must be E2 settings. And the other one here is a pair button. So we got a pair button, party button, and light. Battery button? I don't know what the battery button is.
Battery, about 50%.
Oh, cool. So it tells me what the battery is when I just press this. Battery about 50%. Then I have audio in. So, pretty cool. That fits in there nice and snug. And what we have here, logos, and I wonder if it'll just start playback. Still volume not max, just getting a feel of it. Has a solid piece right in the middle here, so the middle mount would be perfect. I'm about to blast it. Hold your ears. That's with the live mode off. Whoa. I'm not even pushing this thing hard. It's handling it like a champ. I'm about to turn the live mode on. little carried away after I opened the Sony SRS-XB43 up, trying to see where it would nicely fit on the Dualtron X2, and I didn't realize that I hadn't finished my unboxing. So in the box we have a Sony manual, find the charger. And there's another booklet, Sony wireless speaker. The other booklet here that was included in the box is just the basic information about warranty and operating of the speaker, which is Sony wireless, cautions, etc, 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 and who needs all of that. It'll go back in inside this box. We have a charger, and she is charging. I have it plugged in and charging. So now I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can update the software. And I'm gonna say okay to start software update. It automatically turned off. Transferring the software. It may take 10 minutes. Now it looks like my update is complete. And it says software update has started. Software update takes 10 minutes. The speaker automatically turns off when software update ends. Turn on the speaker again and connect them to the music center. So we're going to turn the speaker on again, which only requires just a small tap.
Bluetooth connected.
Bluetooth is connected. And then I get the notification that my software update is complete. I'm going to power it off right now. Let me see if I can power it off. Yep, it powers off. Yep. And that's that. Voila, just like that. I have mastered the ability to operate the Sony SRS-XB43 Extra Bass. Now, I've seen several reviews that talked about that this speaker nowhere nearly compares to the 24-hour that is advertised, but still I'm impressed by the sound, the build quality of the speaker. I'm waiting on a mount strap to come in. That's supposed to be here tomorrow, and I'll probably give that a try to see what my mounting options are. So with that, guys, thanks for watching my unboxing of this Sony beast of a speaker.